a counselor, and a psychologist to a problem-filled child, a police officer who controls a child hot and wild, a lawyer defends when there's a violation among my rights, a photographer gives pictures of a child's yearly growths, a doctor detects when a child is feeling sick, a custodian has to clean little dirty mess, a mother and a father who rears a child with love and care, a friend when no one seems to listen, a director who brings out the best in me. Different personalities roll into one, and that person is my teacher. The teachers of every child here present, the teacher of every child in the world, the teacher of our parents, the teacher of the people in government, the teacher of every individual. You are truly one of the noblest professions who have worked efficiently and effectively to produce and mold responsible, capable, and productive citizens of this world. In this special day, we shall forever be silently thankful youth teachers in our hearts daily who have enriched our lives for bringing out the best in our students. For this, my dear teacher, sa tiyaga kapag ako'y mahirap turuan, sa talino dahil ako'y nabahaginan, sa pangunawa kapag ako'y di maintindihan, sa disiplina kapag ako'y lumalagpas sa tama, sa pangaral na humuhubog sa aking tuwina, sa inspirasyon kapag nawawala ng pag-asa, higit sa lahat sa pagmamahal, kahit ako'y mahirap mahalin. Salamat po. I am truly grateful. Thank you, teachers. Thank you. Happy Teacher's Day and enjoy your day.